A lot of worry, I guess, as a scientist, you have a lot of work involved. As a payload provider, you hope you've checked all the boxes and you've done all that you can do to make everything work for the researchers so that they get good data. It's not easy to put even the most simplest payloads on the space station, but it's worth it. It's worth all the work. I think some of the biggest discoveries we've made and are going to find are up on the space station. It's incredibly important.
Well, we've been really nervous all the way up until right this moment. Nervous that our dreams aren't actually going to happen. But now that the larger countdown is happening and the rocket's all fueled up and everything looks like it's going to happen on time, it's getting really exciting. The last 15-minute window before it takes off. Thanks to Cases for funding this, thanks to NanoRacks for helping us coordinate and making the hardware and coordinating all the data collection too. And thank you for the astronauts who are going to be working on this project on station. So a lot of people worked on this. It's not just the two of us. It's been a lot of people. So we really appreciate all of their support.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff.
As Falcon 9 and Cargo Dragon take flight, bound for the International Space Station with fresh supplies and research, helping to maintain our human presence in space as the station
means a lot to me as a clinician, and so it was really neat to be able to perform that sort of science on station.
So station 1002 is loaded.